Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that despite a new Prime Minister and a sudden surge in his government's polling, those outside the lucky country are taking a more depressed view. But first, house sales fell more than expected in August, a cautionary stall in the American housing market, which had recently looked on stronger footing. Rising prices are starting to catch up with buyers and may be leading some to put off buying for a little longer. Existing home sales tumbled almost 5% in August to 5.3 million, the National Association of Realtors said overnight, the steepest month-to-month decline since January. Economists had expected August sales would drop just a little bit over 1%. In China, a respected survey company there has said that we are all overreacting to the slowdown. In a report out overnight, they said that while the country's economy in the third quarter was moderately weaker than the second quarter, it was hardly the game changer that prompted local and global markets to react sharply. Manufacturing had its weakest performance in 2 years during the July to September period, but the service sector remained strong by any measure. They said this based on a survey of more than 2,100 companies. They claim that while China exports are weaker, their economy is transforming faster than we realise to one supported by internal demand and services. But there will be losers in all this transition, and Australia has been flagged by the IMF as a major one. The negative views about Australia's prospects now seem to be the standard ones. It is clearly better to be selling food in our region than base minerals. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark has risen in today's trading and is now at 2.19%, up 6 basis points. Equities are higher in Shanghai and New York today. The US benchmark oil price is marginally up today, now at $46 a barrel, and Brent benchmark is at $49 a barrel. The gold price has given back some of yesterday's gains, however, to $1,132 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts today a little lower as well. It is now at 63.1 US cents, 88.5 Aussie cents, and 56.4 Euro cents. The TWI starts at 67.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.